My name is Solomon Quainoo. As a kid, about 6 years old, growing up in Ghana, I remember the first time I saw an airplane, I said, I want to be a pilot. People laughed at me when I said it because looking at my background, there was no way I was going to be able to do it. A lot of people used to laugh at me wearing my gloves because I saw the military pilots wearing their gloves. There was some determination inside me that no matter what, I can do it. As a little kid, I wanted to be a pilot, but never dreamed that as an A380 captain for Emirates.
The one thing I look forward to on the day I land in Accra with the Emirates A380 aircraft is opening that cabin door and seeing the excitement on the faces of my fellow Ghanaians.
This is a historic moment for every single Ghanaian. And opening this terminal and having the iconic Emirates A380 coming here has a lot of impact. And think about it, you have a Ghanaian captain, you have a Ghanaian purser, you have a Ghanaian cabin crew, and to have us as Ghanaian to handle this is an awesome feeling. It's go Ghana, go UAE, go Emirates.
Coming back to my old school reminds me of the times I was here. It's an unbelievable feeling. I feel very proud as a Ghanaian. We still can achieve what we want to achieve with determination. I never dreamt that one day I'll be able to fly the biggest passenger aircraft, A380, to Accra. And being the first person to do it, I never dreamt of that.